Hazrat Atta reports that Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions wore the ihram of Hajj, and no one among them had a sacrificial animal except the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Talha. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu came from Yemen and he had a sacrificial animal. So he said, I put on the ihram for what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam donned. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded his companions to convert it to the Umrah, and after making the circuit, get their hair cut and take off the ihram, except the one who had a sacrificial animal. The people said, should we go to Mina in the state while our semen will be dripping? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got this news and said, if I had known what I have now, I would not have brought the sacrificial animal, and if I had not had the sacrificial animal, I would have taken off the ihram. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha started menstruating. She performed all the rites except making the circuit of the house. When she got purified, she made the circuit of the house. She said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you are returning after performing the Hajj and Umrah, whereas I am after performing Hajj only. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded Hazrat Abdul Rahman to take her along with him to Tan'im. So she performed the Umrah after the Hajj. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1651.